informed of the passing of Mr. Lucio Bong Tan Jr., who was currently President and Chief Operating Officer of the PAL Holdings Incorporated. This morning at 8:45 a.m., following his admission to a hospital, shortly after he collapsed while playing basketball, a sport he dearly loved. We express our deepest condolences and heartfelt sympathies to the Tan family, especially to Mr. Lucio Tan, on the untimely demise of Mr. Bong Tan, who was, I think, either 52 or 54. 53. I know personally Bong Tan. He impressed me as a very humble person with a serious man and always a ready smile to people he meets. And he was a good brother to all his siblings, a dutiful son, and an efficient corporate man. I'm sure the family will miss him as we miss him as a friend. Even as we pray the Almighty to give him eternal repose of his soul, and may perpetual light shine upon him. I'm ready for any question.
Prince Gole.